Okay, now that we have you here, we have many of your fans just commenting, and one thing that is constant is Behad.
Behad, yeah.
Okay. So, can you share your experience? Like, how was the entire experience shooting that show? And your character was such, and the show in itself was such great that it's still, even now, people relate to it and love it so much. They give so much of love.
Yeah. It was great shooting for Behad, and I had a lot of fun on the sets. And yeah, my character had like a lot of things to do. So I was enjoying. I was really having a lot of fun on the set, and lovely people on the set. The script was so good. The screenplays were amazing. The dialogues were bang on, and yeah, it was one of the shows that is always going to be remembered by people. So I'm glad.
Sanj, the character that you played, is it still there, alive in you, part of it, or the whole of it?
I think Sanj was somebody who was everybody could relate to her, So everybody has that little thing of Sanj in them. So yeah, of course, Sanj is always going to be there because girl next door, very sweet, very giving, very selfless. So usually, usually a lot of girls are selfless. So
What was your experience working with Jennifer and Kushal?
it was great. It was great. I had a lot of fun on the set. They made me so comfortable. But they did not make me feel like I was an outsider or I was new or something. And yeah, we all, three of us, we had a great time on the sets. Plus, our supporting cast was even crazier. So Kushal's mother was her on-screen mother, Swati ji. Swati Shah, she was there. Vibha Bhagat was there. Kavita ji was there. Rajesh ji was there. Imran sir was there. So we had like a lot of fun off set.
They want to know about your bond with Tejasvi. Apparently, they really love your bond with her.
Uh,
So, yeah.
Teju and me are I can say that both of us are crackpots, and I understand her jokes, and she understands my jokes, and none of anybody else cannot understand what are we talking about. So I think on the day one only we broke the ice, and both of us we bonded well on the first day itself. And yeah, both of us we have a crazy bond. Whenever we call also each other, we talk shit. And yeah, I'm always there for her whenever she needs me, and I'm sure she's also going to be there for me always. And yeah, it's easy to work with Tejasvi. So yeah.
You must have seen her in Khatro Ke Khiladi also. How did you
Oh
find
my
her
god.
in the entire? Did
So
you know
I
that she had this
remember
side in her?
Tejasvi can do anything if she decides she wants to do something. So that I was very sure about because I remember she went for Khatro Ke Khiladi, and few days later only I had to give some interview where they asked me about Tejasvi. So I was like, I don't know if she's scared of anything. And when I saw her and when she came back, she called me and we had like a dinner session at her house. And she told me one thing that Aneri, you're going to be so proud of me when you see the show. So now I know what she was talking about. Like she was crazy in that. She's damn good.
Aneri, we've seen you doing chirpy characters, the girl next door character. But in Pavitra Bhagya, we see you do a very serious role. You play a mother on screen. Young girls, young actors are quite apprehensive to take such roles, to play a mother on screen. Were there any apprehensions before taking up this role? Anything, or was it a
I
yes?
uh, I think I had a lot of things when I was 21 years old or 22 years old, where at that moment I did not want to play a mother. I think a lot of interviews also came out saying I'm just 23 years old and I'm not ready to play a mother and all that. But yeah, now I have grown up and I have done all kinds of roles. Like, I've done like a tomboyish role, I've done a girl next door, I've done a cute, sweet, bubbly girl, I've done a lawyer, a role of a lawyer. Uh, I have I've done a tomboyish role. I said that right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So now, when Pavitra Bhagya got offered to me, uh, the first thing was that the character in itself is so strong that I could not say no to it. Also, the girl, of course, I'm a mother, but I am 25 years old. I'm 25, 26 years old. And I've been, I conceive a child when I'm 18 years old. So I'm playing the same age. But just that I am like a young mother.
Correct.
And I've always played like, I've never played a serious role. So I was looking forward to play something serious. And plus it was Balaji. And every actor once in their life, they always want to work with Balaji Televisions. And I'm so glad that I got this opportunity. And it was Colors. So I could not say no because it was win-win from all the sides. And as an actor, I always believe that you have to try different things. So और जो पहले के ज़माने में होता था कि आप टाइपकास्ट हो जाओगे या आप ऐसे हो जाओगे, I don't think that is the case in this century anymore. So I was quite comfortable playing a mother. So, yeah. In fact, my on-screen kid Vaishnavi, she called me also on Mother's Day saying Happy Mother's Day. So yeah,
that's sweet. Yeah, that's quite sweet. You worked with Kunal earlier also, and again you collaborated with him for this show Pavitra Bhagya. So, how has your relation developed over the time, and how comfortable or easy it is for you guys to shoot a scene together?
So, Kunal and me, we know each other since 7 years now, and we did Silsila together. And then after Silsila, immediately the next show that the both of us did was Pavitra Bhagya, and we were casted opposite to each other. In Silsila also, it was very easy to work with Kunal, because both of us, we don't rehearse too much, and because I do not like rehearsing my lines again and again, I feel that हम monotonous हो जाते हैं फिर अपने line पे. And Kunal gets that thing very perfectly, and we give each other our inputs कि क्या सही है क्या सही नहीं है. You can do this like that. You can after a shot also, we would like just check on each other that was it okay, could I do better. So yeah, and the bond is grown. We have lunch together. We sit together all the time on the sets. So yeah, he's very easy to work with, and yeah, it's very nice.
Do you guys play pranks on each other, or do masti on the set, or how is it?
We do a lot of masti on the set. We keep laughing maybe, but we do not play pranks, nor do we let anybody else play pranks on us because we've been friends for so long. So that is like perks of being friends for 7 years now.
Your fans also want to know, when are we going to see Mishkat and Aneri work together?
On a very serious note, I would love to work with Mishkat because he is one of my I'm going to say this and I know he's going to love this. He's one of my favorite co-stars to work with because Mishkat and me, we have like a different tuning altogether. And maybe because of that, the fans have loved the both of us so much. So if something comes up, why not? I would love to work with Mishkat all over again. It's going to be like a riot on the set.
But also people keep linking you guys together. Do you guys have a laugh over it, or how do you all take these things?
We laugh over it because Mishkat and me, we are like this Tom and Jerry. We I don't think both of us can ever date because maybe we'll make each other go crazy. But we are better off as friends, and yeah, Mishkat and me, लोगों का काम है कहना, वो तो कहते रहेंगे.
Okay, coming back to Pavitra Bhagya, many shows have been axed during this lockdown period. So did you have this fear going on within you, कि पता नहीं all this while कि Pavitra Bhagya का fortune क्या होगा, future क्या होगा?
Actually, on a very serious note, I don't know why, but this thought never came into my mind only. Maybe I was just too positive about it that nothing can go wrong. Yeah, I was very positive and I was genuinely, not even for once मेरे दिमाग में वो चीज आई होगी कि oh shit, Pavitra Bhagya can also go off air. I really hope it does not, nothing like such things never happen to any of us. But yeah, I really did not think about it, and I just hope that nothing is going to happen.
We all are waiting for Pavitra Bhagya to resume soon. And Yeah, because of this lockdown, many actors, I mean, everyone's facing financial crisis, but even the actors are facing financial crisis because, of course, the 3 months period that is there, and then shoot being stalled in between, all of a sudden everything happening, payments are done, people can't move from one place to another, therefore
Right.
payments, I mean, checks cannot be signed, and a lot of other things. So, what is
Right.
your take on actors going through this financial crisis?
Uh, a lot of people are going through financial crisis, and I don't know how are they going to deal with this, because you can't start shooting because it's very risky. Like jaan hai to jahan hai.
Correct.
So you cannot start shooting because you're desperate कि बहुत सारे लोग अपना उनके पास पैसे नहीं है. Plus आपको we all have to wait. So अब मुझे ये नहीं पता कि हम कब तक wait करेंगे. Like for how long are all of us going to wait? I'm sure that the government and the producers and the channels and all, they will come up with something someday. But I'm just hoping कि कहीं बहुत देरी ना हो जाए for a lot of people in the world, not only actors, because actors still have like a good per day or something, or at least better than the people who are working with them. We have to be more concerned about people who are in the crew, because most of them are on daily, like on per days. So से ज़्यादा we have to be more concerned about how are they going to deal with such situations.
Correct.
And
It's very
also
difficult.
actors are going to come back to their shoot even after all this is going to happen again over. But after we start shooting, only minimum amount of people are going to be allowed on the set. So
Again,
what
there's going to
about
be
the other people who are going to get chucked off?
they're going to be checked off, correct. And plus, there are many who are going to, have a struggle to find work, and that will take another 3-4 months.
Exactly.
So, right. Okay. So, there's a ऑनलाइन ट्रोलिंग तो होती ही थी, बट अब लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, सब अपने अपने घर पर है, अपने अपने फोनों पर है, सो पीपल जस्ट टेंड टू कीप ऑन कमेंटिंग, एंड actors are, I think, an easy target. They get trolled quite often, quite easily. So, what is your take on online trolling?
I do not read any comments. I've stopped reading comments.
Okay.
I do not read any comments. I just do not read any comments. Of course, I like my friends के comment. उन्होंने कुछ किया हो तो I like it, and then I see a lot of people who really want to be like, they're really like your good well-wishers. If they are commenting something, I would always like the comment, but I do not read it. Even if I've read the comment by chance, I ignore it. I completely ignore it. I do not really care about it.
Okay, while we speak to Aneri and we don't mention Nisha और उसके cousins, तो बात अधूरी रह जाती है. So tell us how it's working.
Nisha was the best thing that has happened to me. One of the best things that has happened to me. And it changed my life completely for good. And Nisha's cousins is always going to have a very, very, very special place in my heart, because that show made me what I am today. So yeah, it's going to be very, very special. And that show gave me my first award also.